Here's how to count words using Excel's COUNTIF function. Very often in call centers you will see something that looks like this. And you'd like to extract some information out of here, but it's all kind of a hodgepodge of stuff, and you want to know what's in here. So what we want to do is start to count. So just type in the equal sign, COUNTIF, and then we're going to select the range, and I press F4 on a PC. It'll select that range and make it a fixed range. And then I want to give it criteria. That criteria might be equals, and then I want anything that's an asterisk, and the word delete, and an asterisk, and a quote, and a paren. And so it found the word delete in here twice. But now I might like to be able to do this a little bit more often and effectively. So what I might want to do is put in the word. And there I'm going to put in delete. And then I simply change my formula. So instead of delete, I'm going to have a quote, ampersand, and then I'm going to select this cell over here, another ampersand to put it all together in another quote. And so now it will use this word delete. If I wanted to change it to DOS, it would tell me how many times DOS was in there, and so on. But we could also just have delete in here, and I could put in DOS, and I could drag this formula down, and it will continue to check on all the words in here. So that's a way to start to count words using Excel's COUNTIF. In the QI macros, I got tired of doing that, so I actually built a word count wizard. And it's under the QI macros menu, word count. And what it'll do is parse that out into single words and then sort them in terms of, pivot them and sort them in terms of how many times does each one of these words occur. So dupe, DOS, reject, day, same, multiple. And then over here it'll do count two-word phrases like multiple visits, date of service multiple, and so on. So that's a quick way to count all of the words in this kind of call center kind of text. That's how you do it using Microsoft Excel and QI macros. Are you still using line, bar, and pie charts from the last century? You might want to consider control charts, Pareto charts, and histograms, smart charts for the 21st century.